Hey guys, Leon here from Nokia TV. There have been several leaks on Nokia's latest flagship smartphone, and the veil has finally been lifted at MWC 2019. So the Nokia 9 PureView is now official, and it features not 2, not 3, but 5 cameras.
Wow!
So we'll get to those cameras in a minute, but first the specs. The Nokia 9 PureView is equipped with the Snapdragon 845 SoC instead of the newer and more powerful Snapdragon 855. It has 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. It sports a 5.99-inch Full HD Plus display with Qualcomm's ultrasonic fingerprint sensor built in. It also has support for wireless charging for its 3320 mAh battery. It also comes with a IP67 rating, but the way it's implemented prevents it from supporting external storage. Now, to address the elephant in the room, which are the 5 rear cameras of the Nokia 9 PureView. All 5 of them are 12 megapixel sensors, 2 of them being RGB sensors and the remaining 3 being monochrome sensors. Upon pressing the shutter button, all 5 cameras will snap a photo simultaneously in different exposures. This will allow your shots to retain as much details as possible without losing a large portion of color as a compromise. The Nokia 9 PureView allows you to save your shots in raw DNG, which you can then edit using Adobe Lightroom, which is already pre-installed on the phone itself. You can also adjust the depth of field after you've taken the shot, letting you add portrait bokeh during the editing process. The Nokia 9 PureView is priced at $699 US, which is about 2,800 ringgit, and it's expected to be released in March. That said, we'll have to wait a little longer for local pricing and availability to be announced. So let us know down in the comments section, what do you guys think of the Nokia 9 PureView? What do you guys think of 5 cameras? Are we ready for it? And as usual, like this video if you like it, subscribe to us if you haven't already, hit the bell to get notified of our future videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!